Ang video ito ay tungkol naman po sa kung ano ba ang mga nakasulat sa ating National Certificate 2 in Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing. Sa video ito, aalamin natin ang mga basic units of competency, common units of competency, and core units of competency in this National Certificate 2 in Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing na ibinibigay po ng TESDA if you pass the assessment in this qualification. Okay po, ngayon po, magsimula na tayo. Basahin po natin kung ano ba yung nilalaman ng National Certificate 2 na ito. Okay po? Dito po tayo magsimula sa itaas. Republic of the Philippines, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. Ulitin ko po, ang nabibigay po ng ating National Certificate in every qualification, kapag naipasa po natin ang mga assessment na ibibigay ng test the assessor, kakaroon po tayo ng National Certificate sa qualification na inyong in-applyan. Okay po? Itong National Certificate na ito ay nakuha ko po nung nag-aral po ako at naipasa ko po yung assessment in this qualification. Ulitin po natin, babasahin ko po ulit kung ano po yung mga nakasulat here in our National Certificate. First, Republic of the Philippines, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, National Certificate 2 in Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing is awarded to, ito po yung pangalan ko, for having completed the competency requirements under the Philippine Tibet Competency Assessment and Certification System in the following units of competency. Una po, basic units of competency. Participate in workplace communication, work in team environment, practice career professionalism, practice occupational health and safety procedures, common units of competency, apply quality standards, perform computer operations, perform mensuration and calculation, prepare and interpret technical drawing, use hand tools, terminate and connect electrical wiring and electronic circuits, test electronic components. And here in our core units of competency, kung saan po nagpo-focus ang TESDA Certified Assessor during assessment, ito po yung mga nakasulat. Una po, electronic products, service consumer electronic products and systems, service industrial electronic modules, products and systems. During assessment po, dito po sa ating core units of competency, there are a lot of tasks na dapat po nating i-perform. Yung mga tasks po na ating gagawin ay ituturo po sa atin ng ating trainer in this qualification. Okay po? Ulitin ko po. There are 3 core units of competency here in Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing, National Certificate 2. First, assemble electronic products, service consumer electronic products and systems, service industrial electronic modules, products and systems. Then, katulad po ng ibang national certificate, meron din itong certificate number. Issued on, nakuha ko po ito noong October 29, 2019. Valid until October 28, 2024. Okay po. At nandyan rin po yung ating picture, yung ating firma, at signed din po ito ng Director General ng TESDA. Okay po. At meron din po itong QR code. Yun po yung mga nakasulat dito po sa ating National Certificate 2 in Electronic Products Assembly and Servicing. Okay po. Sana po meron kayong natutunan sa video ito. Huwag niyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe dito po sa channel ko. Thank you po.